In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scatter plot in Tableau in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to visualize the relationship between two variables, a scatter plot is a great choice, and Tableau makes it straightforward and flexible. Let's walk through the process together. First off, make sure you have Tableau launched on your device. If you're new to Tableau, you'll be greeted by a welcoming screen that offers different options to connect your data. Tableau's interface is user-friendly, and its design will guide you through each step. Once Tableau is open, you'll need to connect your data source. This is an essential step because without data, there's nothing to visualize. Tableau supports plenty of data formats such as Excel, text files, or direct connections to data servers. Simply choose the data source platform you're using, and you'll be prompted to locate the file or connect to the server. Now that you've connected your data, it's time to start building your scatter plot. Look for the Columns shelf at the top of your workspace. Here, you'll drag a measure to set up your x-axis. A measure is any quantitative field, such as sales figures or revenue, that you want to analyze against another variable. Dragging a measure to the Columns shelf determines what gets plotted along the horizontal axis. Next, move another measure to the Rows shelf to create the y-axis. By doing this, you're deciding what variable you want represented on the vertical axis. Choosing the right measures to compare is crucial in uncovering valuable insights from the scatter plot. Now let's add more detail to your scatter plot by dragging a dimension to the Detail shelf on the Marks card. Dimensions are categorical fields, like regions or product categories, that help further disaggregate your data. By dragging a dimension to the Detail shelf, each unique item in that dimension gets its own point on the scatter plot, enhancing your ability to see patterns and relationships within subsets of your data. You may notice the default visualization might not be a scatter plot. No worries, we can easily adjust this. You'll want to change the mark type to shape, circle, or square to make sure you get a scatter plot display. The drop-down menu for this is located on the Marks card. Selecting the appropriate mark type will render your scatter plot in all its visual glory. And there you have it. Your scatter plot is ready. With just a few simple steps, you've created a powerful visualization tool that can help you compare and connect data in meaningful ways. Tableau provides various options to further customize and enhance your visualizations, so feel free to explore and experiment with different features. Thanks for joining me today, and happy visualizing in Tableau.